today I will discuss the topic India and its location and features. So before I discuss, I tell you what is the meaning of location. The location means a particular position, or points. Understand? It means the location. Next, the features. Features means what? Features means a aspect of something. A aspect of something. That is called the features. Okay. So India have the location and the features. Understand? So today I will explain about the location. Okay. So Indian location. So you know that this is our world. Okay. This is our world. You think that this is our world, and our world have that two different imaginary lines. Which line extend north to south? This line known as longitude. And which line extend between east to west? Okay, this line known as latitude. Okay, so this is longitude. Okay, so this is two line, north to south and east to west. Understand? So this, we know that latitude and longitude, how many latitudes are there, how many longitude are there in the world, we know. But which longitude is passed through the middle of the earth? This is known as which longitude? This is known as prime meridian. And which longitude, which latitude pass through the middle of the earth? This latitude known as equator. Understand? Equator divided earth into two equal parts. Northern side called the northern hemisphere and southern part called southern hemisphere. And also this prime meridian also divided earth into two equal parts. Eastern part called eastern hemisphere and western part called western hemisphere. Okay. Our India is lies in where, you know? Here. Our India lies in here. Eastern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. Yes or no? So our India is lies northern eastern hemisphere. Now understand? Our India lies in where in the world? In which hemisphere India lies? Northern eastern hemisphere. Northern eastern hemisphere. Okay. So India is lies northern and eastern hemisphere. Understand? Okay. Now come to the next point. So you know India have that particular location. Understand? So in the northern side of the India is lies in here 37 degree 6 minute north, and in here in the south 8 degree 4 minute north. Because why? Because India both side are I wrote what? The north because India is lies in the northern hemisphere in that way. And now the longitude of India. Longitude of India in here 97 degree 25 minute east, and in here in the Gujarat side 68 degree 7 minute east. East why? Because both sides is east. In the western part I wrote east. In western eastern side also I wrote east. So why I wrote both sides of the east? Because India is lies in the eastern part of the world. Okay, that is the location of the Indian mainland. Now come to in here. This is the Andaman Nicobar Island. This is the Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay. Andaman Nicobar Island is lies in where? In the Bay of Bengal Sea. Okay. So here the location of the Indian island have 6 minute 6 degree 4 minute 6 degree 4 minute north. Understand? Now see, here at that one point in the northern top point of India, it is known as Indra Col. Indira Col. What call? Indira Col. The northernmost point of India is called Indira Col. Indira Col. Indira Col. Okay. And the southernmost point of the Indian mainland called Kanyakumari or Cape of Cameroon. Okay, Cape of Cameroon. Understand? Now, Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari. Okay. Next, this is the southern most part of India. Part of Indian mainland, but this is known as the southern point, most top southern point of India. Okay, in the 6 degree 4 minute, it known as Indira point. Understand? Now in the western topmost part of India, in Gujarat, it is called Gormoti. Gormoti. Understand? It is location 68 degree 7 minute east. And the eastern part or eastern topmost part of India, it is called Kibithu. Kibithu. Understand? So this is the location of India. Extension. Now I will discuss about the extension of India. Now see, from north to south, Indian total extension, how much? 3,214 kilometers. Understand? And east to west means Gormoti to Kibithu, total distance, total extension of India, how much? 2,933 kilometers. Okay, so this is the total extension of India. Now, I go through some Indian neighboring country. Indian neighboring country, how many neighboring country have in India, 9. But out of the 9 neighboring country, India only share the border 7 neighboring country. But India did not share the border 2 neighboring country out of 9. Understand? 7 neighboring country India share the border with India. Its name first is Pakistan, then Afghanistan, then China or China, then Nepal, then Bhutan, then Myanmar, then Bangladesh. This is the 7 country. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different country of the world. This country are share the border with India.